Some two twin pastors don dey on the run after these people go defile and impregnate a 12-year-old girl. This one dey happen inside Oworoshoki for inside Lagos. Una dey see things wey pastors dey do. We gather say this pastor's name na Taiwo and Kehinde Shonaike, and na dem be the general overseers open heaven to, I no know which heaven they open. There na girl leg they open. I no even know as I go even talk this one. But we hear say then these two fake pastors, they carry this, in fact, they don't dey sleep with this 12-year-old girl. Since no be today. Until when we say this one can't go result inside pregnancy. Make a come tell on how they take boss than these people. Now, as this girl go inform in two lovers, because I don't know as I go take call them. Say, I don't get belly for now. They can't start to make preparations on how to take commode this picking for this girl. Now, there they can't go connive with one nurse. Pay her 11,000 naira. See what the pastors they do. Pastors, men of God. See what they do. Now, as they carry this girl, say they won't go do this kind of thing. It be like say this girl mind no go with this whole thing. Now, there she can't decide. Say, may she even tell her mama. Say then these pastors when they follow her sleep for more than a year. I know they talk of 1 month, more than a year, and as he big, this girl don't get belly. Under this 12-year-old girl, they fit keep this kind of secrets from her mama. She no tell her mama since when she be 11 years. Now, when we say yawa don't gas, now she come outside they talk. And as the mama hear this out of it, now there the mama carry poison drink. I don't know why we say some kids, I mean, children, because not even children. Even picking, they go just want, I don't know, paint their parents black. Parents will be saying, don't they groom you since? Not knowing say, don't they chop pastor under since? Now we be say, you can't decide, say, you won't come they talk. If say no be say you can't get belenko, that means you go just they enjoy this thing just like that. And as it be like this, and we hear say, these two pastors, plus their family, everybody don't jackpot. They don't even know about their whereabouts again, they don't miss. In fact, the Nigerians, we suppose they pray for this country. Because as it be, our pastors, they don't turn rogue. In fact, this country don't get into doom. Because for a whole past, they don't even pity say this girl at 12 years old. They don't even look at age. Say na small picking. Two of them, they do this kind of thing on top of this girl. And I no go surprise say these two pastors' wife, they go know about them. Because for them to run, you know, go ask your pastors, what do make us they run? You self come pack your load, they decide say you won't follow and they run. Me, I just they pray, say may they catch them, these people. And I don't even know the kind of punishment, any punishment I won't give them. If not to even cut their teeth, in fact, he pay me. Because I a whole man of God. Go come outside, stand on top of pulpit, they preach. Say, don't do, and then go they preach, don't commit abortion, don't do premarital sex. Make now look them. Now they do things underground. Instead they don't come catch them, I just they pray, say this girl, mama will take this poison because we hear say she there for hospital. I just they pray, say she go there okay, she go there well. Because if this woman go die, man, nobody there to help this girl fight her battle. Nobody there because as it be like these pastors, we never know where we won't fight the rich. But I pray say they go catch them. My people, I hear this kind of one. As make her bring and come, make na service na ear. Here what they happen. If you not get anything to talk about them, make now don't forget to write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.